Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us do some example problem regarding moment of forces. For example, three forces 4P, 5P and 6P acting along three sides of an equilateral triangle of side 150 mm taken in order. Find the magnitude and position of the resultant force. Here in the figure, we'll put the force of given forces 4P, 5P here, 4P, 5P and 6P acting in order of sides of an equilateral triangle is 150 mm. Now we will find the magnitude of the resultant force. Now resolving forces horizontally, solving forces horizontally, that is sigma h equal, let it be the point is A, B, C here, A, B, C. Sigma h equal 2p because it's horizontal plus 5p, not 2p here, 4p and 5p of cos 120 because equilateral triangle each angle is 60 degrees, so this A is, this is 120 degrees. Then plus 6p is cos 240, cos of 240, 4p plus cos 120, you can write cos 120 is minus 0.5, that is minus 0.5 into 5p and next is cos 240 minus 0.5, that is minus 0.5 into 6p equal 0. Now here, that is 4p, 0.5 into 5 is minus 2.5p minus 3p. 0.5 into 6 is 3p equal to 0, not equal to 0, this 3p only because horizontal, and so which is equal minus 2.5 minus 3 is minus 5.5, that is minus 1.5p. Now resolving forces vertically, resolving forces vertically, that is sigma v equal here 4p is horizontal, it won't affect. Then next 5p 5p sine 60 plus 5p sine 120 5p sine 120 and plus 6p sine 240. Now which is equal 5p and sine 120 plus 5 into 0.866 p, then sine 240 sine 240 that is minus 0.866 into 6p, so which is equal 5p plus 5 into 0.866 equal 4.33p minus 0.866 into 6 equal 5.196p. Now collecting p's, we can write 5 plus 4.33 minus 5.19 equal 4.14p sigma v. Now the magnitude of the resultant force R equal square root of sigma h square plus sigma v square equal sigma h equal minus 1.5 p the square plus 4.14 the square. Let us calculate this. 1.5 square plus 4.14 square. 4.14 square equal, then square root is 4.403. 4.403 p is a resultant force. Now position of the resultant force. Let us do the position of the resultant force. Here let x is x equal perpendicular distance x is the perpendicular distance between point B and the line of action of resultant. From B, that uh, x distance is the line of between the point B and the line of action of the resultant. B and the line of action of resultant force. Now here taking moments of the resultant force, taking moment of the taking moment of the resultant force about B. About B and the line of action. And the line of action of the resultant force. Line of action is equal here, taking moments over the resultant force B and equating the same to line of action. Here, resultant force is equal to 4.403 P into X distance is equal 10 here this for this force, because here both are that is you have to use it use this force 5p into 5p into sine 180 minus 60, that is 5p into sine 180 minus 60 degree. For this force you have to consider, which is equal 4.403 px equal 5p into sine 180 minus 60 sine 120 0.866. So therefore x equal 5 into 0.866 p over 4.403 p. Both be cut here and we'll calculate the value of 5 multiplied 5 multiplied with 0.866 divide 4.403 equal, therefore x equal 0.983 0.983 0.983 here we have to do the total distance here to the total distance is 150 have to do here into here 150, this is also 150 and we'll calculate because 150 is the length of side length of the triangle. So 5 multiplied 0.866 into 150 equal 649.5 mm. That means 650 approximately is equal x equal to 650 mm. you have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.